What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? The title of the video is the video games. Yeah, the video games, man. I want to fight the video game. You feel me? I want to fight the video game, create the what is and what didn't. I'll fight the video game. I want people to ever go into the video game. Do you like I said, do what y'all can do for these people. Then let me see it. Then use it all and play the game and win the game. They want me to go in the game to play the game. Feel me? They don't want me to play the game. You feel me? But I'm gonna play it anyway. I'm gonna play my own game. Fuck a PlayStation. Fuck an Xbox. We're not building a PlayStation, we're not building an Xbox. We're building something way more different. I want a different type of game. One different game. I don't want to look like a PlayStation. I don't want to look like the Xbox or the Nintendo. But I want things like them. Like the console. See, like the console. I want it to be small. Small like the PlayStation. But not the PlayStation, but I just like deal how small I want to be on the console. And I want a handheld like the Switch. You feel me? I want to have great graphics. These games, the handheld started $1,000 for the handheld. The other one would be like 2,000. You feel me? Not $2,000, $2,000. $1,000 and $2,000. $1,000 for the handheld and $2,000 or 3,000 for the system. You feel me? I want it nano compatible. You feel me? I want people to be able to go inside the game. I want people to be able to go inside the game. You feel me? And I want different games, different type of games, different type of console, different type of brands. This brand, that brand, that brand of gaming, that brand of gaming. You feel me? I want to see which one people buy the most. You feel me? I want people to ever go inside the game. I want people to play inside the game. I want people to ever play outside the game. You can get them a controller. Or player has controller. You know what I'm saying? You got face to hand. You feel me? That people can use. People can hold. You feel me? You feel me? That people can push some buttons. People can push. You feel me? Accessories, get them accessories. Get them games. You feel me? Even the game could tap. Even the game could log in to the board time. Can't log into the board time traveling. You know what I'm saying? Digital museum library. You feel me? And go in there and play the game though. You feel me? But they have to pay a fee. You feel me? They have to pay a fee, a monthly fee. You feel me? A subscription. Monthly subscription fees. You feel me? To do that. And then go back in time. They also go back in time. Feel me? Like, they go pick a year and go there and play the game. And play the design of the year. Feel me? Want to have games, like shooting games, war games. You feel me? Want to have multiplayer. Want to have online setup. Feel me, man? Where they can play online with people. You feel me? Want to have locations You can see their location, your location, like where you at in the country. Now, if you want to show your address, not saying that you can send your address privately to them, but but um, but but, but they'll know where they're from, where they're coming from. I want them to have lots of bro, bro. I want the game to be super fun, to be funny. If you have fighting games, I want to have fighting games like Dragon Ball Z or something else. I want to have Angel and Demon game. You feel me? Angel and Demon game. I want to have Angels and Demons with different angels. Feel me? From what we learn about angels, I want to have different angels with powers like Goku though. You feel me? Like Naruto, I want to have a Naruto game, a ninja game. I want to have all the games they have here. Right? I want to have a game but different, making different storylines, different brands. I want it to be fun. I want it to be exclusive. I want it to be extensive, exclusive. I want it to be fun. I want to be able to create the character. I want to be able to upload themselves into the game. Like when they upload a picture of themselves as a character, make themselves a character, and then they could down film and then they go into the game and play as themselves with powers and everything. You feel me? Powers, yeah, with guns, huh? Shot on, this feel. You got shot, you got killed. You have to respawn, you have to quit. You want to respawn? You respawn back. You come back, fight again. You know, the Tekken game, the Mortal Kombat game, I want to go combat game, fighting game. But they not fight, they don't even fight. And they don't know how to fight. They don't know how to fight against the nigga in the game. They don't know how to fight. They don't know how to kick. They don't know how to do everything. Since again. Shut the fuck up. And also teaching them. Also teaching them. Also teaching them about fighting. Feeling like man, they could train. Like man, they could go normal mode. And they could train and learn how to fight. Feel me again. Learn how to kick, learn how to do all type of fights though. You feel me? And then they learn how to shoot guns. And learn how to do all type of stuff. You feel me? They learn how to do all type of stuff. Yep. That type of stuff. Remember, don't let blind people have access to my stuff, especially these false prophets and prophetesses, false pastors and pastoresses. You feel me? False men of God and false women of God. Don't let them have nothing to my stuff, no access to my stuff. So I'm gonna keep saying this because I don't want them to have nothing access to my stuff. Now they can laugh at me. I'm laughing at them because they don't have access to my stuff. You feel me? They don't have access to my stuff no more. You feel me? Now they could tell the lies and shit and the jokes from them. You feel like they don't have access to my stuff, so they don't know what I got going on. You feel me? You demons, you angels, not gonna be able to talk about my stuff anymore. You feel me? Not gonna give them tea. Not gonna be able to give them tea or information about anything I have going on anymore. When you signed the NDA contract yesterday. Oh yeah, I signed it. So then I'm able to give them no tea no more. Yeah, man. So we'll have a review again on different games. I want small games like the Switch. I want handheld games. I want even games for the phones. You feel me? Like they could buy a slot where they can go in the game. And we can also license this thing out to other game designers. They want their fans to go in the game. They want them to play in the game. We can also license this thing out to also game designers. I want you to stop that PlayStation and Xbox. They're going in the game, all these games. They're going in the game. I want you to stop it. They can't go in the game no more. Matter of fact, stop. They can't go in the game no more. Fuck them bitch ass niggas. They ain't let me play my game. They ain't let me even go in the game. But they want to play the game all day long. But they don't want me to play the game. They don't want me to play the game. So we finna make this money, man. So license it out. You feel me? I said, none of our stuff is for sale. No, nothing is for sale. You feel me? We just licensing out to make money on royalties and profit. You feel me? We are going to make money. We can sell a game for $5,000 bucks. Because it does a lot. You feel me? And then they will sell the guns. They will create the guns. You feel me? Like real guns. You feel me? Like we'll create the real guns. You feel me? Like we'll create the video game guns, like real guns. But they're not real. Real guns. And get to them. Like we'll create a video game gun. We'll create the car handle driving gun, car pedal gun. For them to drive on the game. For race car stuff. We play the snowboard for them to snowboard, the skate thing, and the skate. Create everything. I'm telling you, man, this is not Roman. I mean, this where it's at. This where it's at. 1,000 years, here we go. 1,000 years. We're finna be ballers. We're finna be ballers. My wife looking at me like, this is a family business. Me, my wife, our children, our family, Trippy, 6'9", Gucci Bashiri, their wife, their children, their baby mamas, my baby mamas, God, the goddess, and the Godheads. This is a family business. This is a family business. I'm running the family business. And my children, and children could benefit from. You feel me? That's why they're mad. That's why they're mad. They're mad because they can't do shit. They're mad because they can't do shit. We're gonna play this game, and add whatever everything you fit to it. You learn about gaming, you can make it better, make it fun, what things. Add to it. Get a free game, make free games. They get a subscription. If you play a few free games, you create all type of games. You angels, if you tell the angels to go crazy creating games, the angels and demons to go crazy creating the games, the stories, and all type of stuff. You feel me? For my games. Create it. I know it already came out, but by the time I finish this video, My game will be ready. You feel me? In the game, and the game needs. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we gonna create the games. We gonna make the games. I know the angels. One angel help the angels. Turn on the game creation to be a game that's compatible for the games. You angels create games. Yeah. Create games that people go into the board timeline time traveling, digital museum, library, and play. We have games everywhere. Also games that make no money. Games that when they play, they make money playing the game. They get paid playing the game. All the games should be able to make no money playing the game. You're gonna pay to be a gamer, goddammit. Yeah, man, we finna chill, man. Man, cause I ain't know this shit gonna be this immaculate, you know what I'm saying? Man, they thought it was gonna be lame. They thought I was lame. They didn't know that I was immaculate. And so we can create our own game, man. I want you to add your own thoughts to it. Even on the museum, even on the other ones too. The pricing, you know what I'm saying? Add what you need to be added to the price. What is and what demons in my family, my wife, my children, Sunshine Angel, my wife, my children, my baby mamas, Godhead, the Godhead, the Goddess, you know what I'm saying? 3 pieces, now Gucci Bashir, their wives, their children, their families, my baby mama's family, my wife's family, all of them. I need to add which all you add what you want to add. I'm not coming down and see it. Then we'll go from there, man. For real. ideas on being rich. We're gonna be rich. And I'm gonna pay you for your ideas.